Check out those nice headlights. If you haven't seen last week's video, make sure to check it out because we went ahead and restored them. But before we put it back under this cover, I want to do something about the windows. And I went out and got two things. I got this Meguiar's Ultimate Glass Cleaner and Water Repellent. Now, it's supposed to have some kind of hydrophobic technology that helps repel water. And that's what I'm looking for. Now, I don't want to say it was pricey, but over time it will add up. So I plan on only using that outside of the car, not in the inside. But for the inside, I went ahead and got this Chemical Guy streak free cleaner. I want to start with the outside because we recently went ahead and clayed the windows as well. When the paint got done, the windows got done, so they're actually nice and clean. So we're just gonna go ahead, wipe it on, wipe it off. The outside isn't bad, it's the actual inside that has a bunch of handprints and streaks. But I want to do this now before we put it underneath the covers because it's probably gonna sit out there for a bit just because we are gonna work on the truck again. But next time we take it for a spin, it's gonna be nice and clean, no matter if it's raining or not. I don't like taking it out in the rain, but if it does rain, it's not gonna take me as long to get it nice and clean again. So without further ado, let's start with the front windshield, then move to the back, then we'll do the driver and passenger side door last. I also want to get the little side mirrors, but looking at the car now, I also want to do something about this trim. I don't think I'm gonna do something today, but in the future I definitely want to get something. But let me show you guys really quick how she looks. I honestly like having this car in the garage. It's kind of like a unreal moment, but let's go ahead and knock these windows down. Alright, all the outside windows are nice and clean. I'm not gonna lie, as I wipe it dry, it takes a little longer to remove all the smudges. And I just think it has to do with the fact that it has that hydrophobic thing in it. But I'm hoping that with this one, we don't gotta worry as much about wiping it on and off. This is how the outside window looks though. If you pay close attention, you can see the inside and all the little rock chips the car has. But this window's clean, this window's clean, and then these windows are also clean. I even went ahead and did both of the side mirrors. So now we're gonna move on to the inside. For the back one, all I'm gonna do is lift the trunk up. I think the one I'm gonna struggle to clean the most is this one, so I'm gonna try and knock this one right now.